This is the first video on Chapter 43, Parametric Equations. So we're going to do the first two parts of example 254. And the directions were to eliminate the parameter and sketch the curve. And so the parametric equations that were given, x is the square root of t minus 2, y is 1/2 t minus 7, and our parameter t is greater than or equal to 0. So the first thing we do with this one is we solve for t in terms of x. And so t is x plus 2 quantity squared. And then we take this equation, y is 1/2 t minus 7, and we substitute the quantity x plus 2 squared in for t. And so y is 1/2 the quantity x plus 2 squared minus 7. And this is a parabola. This is a parabola with vertex -2, -7. And so we sketch the parabola, at least the part that corresponds to t being greater than or equal to 0. And so we have a starting point right here, and in the order of increasing t, our x and our y increase. So that's why we have the arrows going in this direction. For the second example, we do something similar for part B. We have x is the square root of t, y is 2 times natural log of t. T is strictly greater than 0. So we take the equation x equals square root of t, and we solve for t in terms of x. T is x squared. Then we take our expression y equals 2 natural log of t. Knowing that t is x squared, we substitute x squared for t. So y is 2 natural log of x squared, which we can write as 4 natural log of x. So this is just the natural log of function stretched vertically by a factor of 4. So we sketch our curve here, and we draw the arrows in the order of increasing t.